Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable Face ID on GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device and let it log you in. As you can see, Face ID or biometric login is currently enabled. To disable it, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, scroll down and look for the settings option. Under settings, you will see an option for biometric login. Tap on it. Now, you will see a button to disable biometric login. Tap on Disable. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to disable biometric login. Tap on Disable Biometric Login again to confirm. Once confirmed, the Face ID feature will be disabled and you will need to log in using your PIN moving forward. So that's basically how you can disable Face ID on GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.